Now in this question you can see that two things have been multiplied. So this will become our u and this is v. If we want to solve this question simply, so we can apply the product rule, that is uv function is there. So if this is y, so we know that if we have to take simple derivative, it will be u, that is ex square into derivative of log x square plus log x square into derivative of ex square. So product rule is applied. So here if you see, this is same ex square into the derivative of log x square will be 1 upon x square into d upon dx of x square plus this is going to be same log x square, derivative of ex square will be ex square into derivative of x square. So this is derivative which is further taken derivative. Now solving this question further, this ex square into now 1 upon x square, derivative of x square is 2x plus log x square into ex square into derivative of x square will be again 2x. So this will be ex square into, now this 1x can be deleted, so it will be 1 upon x, 2 upon x, 2 will be there, 1x is deleted, so 2 upon x plus this will be same log x square into ex square into 2x. Now looking at both the sides, we can say that 2 is common on both the sides and ex square is also common on both the sides. So this 2ex square is common on both the sides. So here on this side we will be left with 1 upon x, and here if we take this 2ex square common, we will have x log x square. So this is the answer that we will get by taking this common. Now if I want to solve this question with the help of chain rule, so you can do that also. Otherwise this question is very much fine, but if you want to solve this question with this chain rule, you will see that you will be getting the same answer. So for taking the chain rule, we will have to take chain rule 2 times because now it is the product of 2 functions. So first take this question, solve it separately with the help of chain rule, then take this portion and solve it with the help of chain rule, then finally multiply to have the answer of y. So if we solve this ex square, this portion with the help of chain rule, so what we will use is, we will take u to be x square because e's power x square is there. So from here if we want to take the derivative of du upon dx, it will be 2x, right? So now here we can say that y is equals to eu. So derivative will also be same, dy upon du, derivative will be e's power u, that is u is x square. So if you want to multiply it, dy upon dx, it will be this ex square into 2x. So this is the answer of the first part, ex square into 2x. So I'll just write it here, ex square into 2x we got from the first part. Now coming to the second part, that is log x square. So here what we can do is, we can take in this part, if we have to assume u, again we will take x square, and from here du upon dx will be again 2x. Alright, so if again we will be taking y here, so y will be log u, so it will be 1 upon u, and if I fill the value over here, it will be 1 upon x square. So now if we apply the chain rule, that is dy upon dx, what will that be? This is this 1 upon x square into this 2x, so ultimately it will be, this x will be cancelled, 2 upon x. So here it will be 2 over x. So now therefore the derivative of ex square was ex square into 2x and derivative of log x square is 2 upon x. So now we can directly apply the product rule. So according to the product rule, ex square into derivative of log x square, that has come out to be 2 by x, we can put that, plus log x square, derivative of ex square, that has come out to be 2x multiplied by ex square. Now we can take whatever is common. Now we can see on the both the side, this is one side, this is another side. Here what is common? That is same 2ex square is common. So on the left hand side 1 upon x will be left, and on the right hand side x log x square will be left. So it is the same answer that we got first with direct method as well. In this question also we have to take the derivative, so directly we will apply the product rule over here. So dy upon dx is u, this is same, into derivative of 2x minus 1 square plus 2x minus 1 square into derivative of x minus 3 cube. So solving it, it will be x minus 3 cube is same. Derivative of this will be 2 will come in the front because it is power. Then 2x minus 1 and again the derivative of 2x minus 1. So this derivative we have taken in this way. Plus, coming to the second part of the question, it is 2x minus 1 square and derivative of, we have taken the derivative now. If we take the derivative of x minus 3 cube, so 3 will come in the front, x minus 3 will be at its own place, and again the derivative of x minus 3. So solving this question further, it will be x minus 3 cube as it is. This is 2x minus 1, its derivative will be 2x minus 1's derivative is 2. This is also 2. So here 4 plus this side also 2x minus 1's square and 3x minus 3's square, and its derivative will be 1. So we can write 1 or we can just leave it. So if you look at both the sides, you will observe that x minus 3's square is common. This is one side, this is other side. So this is x minus 3 square and this is x minus 3 cube. And on both the sides 2x minus 1 is also common. So what we are left with inside is x minus 3 into 4 is there, because 4, plus on the right hand side we are having 2x minus 1. This we have taken into 3. So we can solve it further. X minus 3's square, 2x minus 1, and inside it will be 4x minus 12 plus 6x minus 3. So our final answer is x minus 3 square, 2x minus 1, it will be 10x minus 15.